ATYR stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is ATYR Pharma stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, no one else in the stock trading space has an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience like I've done, especially with this. It's in a good, beautiful demand zone, but that's all that it ends off. Like, for me to genuinely be bullish, I must see a full candle close above 523 and then must see a double break afterwards, right? If I do not see anything like that, even close, then bro, I can tell you that I'm just not gonna touch it, right? I'm not gonna touch it, not gonna trade. I mean, ATYR don't have much receipts. Like, I don't know why it's not showing in that bar, but there is on my YouTube channel. You can check it out, search. But yeah, that's all it's gonna come down to. Now, what happens if it keeps melting? Well, for that, I'll keep you updated. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, that is, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.